Good day everyone. Today we're going to make some German pancakes. First thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 400. And on a 13 by 9 pan, put 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're just putting that in the oven till it melts. All right, the first thing we're going to do is take 6 eggs and put them in a bowl and whisk them. Then 1 cup of milk. And we mix that around. And 1 cup of flour. And a pinch of salt. Right, the butter's nice and bubbly. Pull that out of the oven. Cook it for 20 minutes.